how to activate or deactivate ShopPay Accelerated Checkout. So if you want to go ahead and activate or deactivate your ShopPay, first of all, what you're going to do is you're going to go to settings and go into payments. Now, firstly, you're going to make sure to activate your Shopify payments because once you go ahead and activate your Shopify payments under your Shopify payments, you're going to be able to add ShopPay, which is basically powered by Shopify. Okay, ShopPay makes checking out faster for your customers. You're going to get it under your Shopify payments. So you're going to submit the details, secure your account with your two-step authentication, add your banking information, and if you want to, enable it or disable it, you're simply going to go ahead and manage your Shopify payments, right? So once you come to payments, once your Shopify payments are set it up, here you can see you have Shop Pay right here. So you're going to click on manage, and once you click on manage, you're going to come here, disable this, click on save, and that will activate or deactivate your Shop Pay accelerated checkout. Thank you for watching this video all the way till the end, and I will be seeing all of you in the next video. Goodbye.